Hey, I'm Sam. If you're watching this video, you're probably asking yourself, how does this free bot work and how can I connect it to my MT5 account without paying a dime? If that's you, don't skip this video. Over the last 3 years, my team and I have built what is arguably one of the safest and most profitable beginner bots we've ever seen. Today, it's being used by 300 plus traders across 15 countries. And before you ask, yes, you can verify everything. Live MyFX book track records, Trustpilot reviews, video testimonials from users, no hide and seek.
What exactly is the free bot?
The free bot is our lifetime community bot built for beginner traders. Traders tired of blowing accounts, busy people that don't want to stare at charts all day. Everyone looking for a free, simple, set and forget trading system.
Is it really free? Yes.
This is not a free trial. You don't pay monthly, you don't pay yearly. You can use the bot for 1 month, 1 year, or even 5 years if you want.
What can I expect? Over the last 2+ years, we've seen the bot average approximately 15% to 40% monthly, 1 to 2 trades daily. What's the minimum account size? It depends on your trading region. UK/Australia traders can use the bot on a small $500 account, even up to $500,000. Other country traders can run the bot on a small $100 up to a $200,000 account. The good news, whether you're starting small or managing a larger portfolio, the free bot can handle it. Why would we give it away for free?
3 reasons. 1, most of our Tingabeast and PropKing users started with the free bot. Our mission is to help 5,000 beginner traders become profitable bot traders. The more users we help, the more testimonials, reviews, and referrals we receive, making us even more than selling the bot. It's a win for you and a win for us.
Will it blow my account?
No system is perfect, but here's what I can tell you. The bot does not use martingale. It has built-in TP and SL. It uses proper risk management. We have multiple live accounts publicly tracking its performance, and none has been ever blown. Can I use my own broker or any broker? For the free bot, no. Every trader is assigned a broker based on their region.
Why? To easily manage the free bot's cloud integration, to maintain consistent results across all users, to ensure every trader uses a verified FCA regulated broker with fast deposits and withdrawals. This is how we've been able to deliver the system to 300 plus free bot users across 15 countries efficiently. Can I use it on my phone?
Absolutely. No VPS, no complicated installation, just connect the bot and let it do the work.
How do I activate it?
Simple. Click the button below this video. You'll be taken to the Wealthflow website where you'll create your free account. Click on Products, select Free Bot, click Activate. Pick your trading region, open and fund your broker account. Connect the bot. The entire process takes about 15 minutes. And if you need help at any point, Quincy Adams and the bot team will guide you step by step. At this point, you've got 2 options. Keep doing trial and error, or join the hundreds of traders already using the free community bot. Congratulations in advance as you activate your lifetime free bot. Tap the button below and let's get you connected.